All right, this is Matt. I was just going to film day 2 of my Fluval 13.5 gallon saltwater aquarium. I've got it set up here for a couple days. It's doing its thing. I've got some dried coral here throughout the bottom. I've got some normal crushed substrate, and I have my live coral, which is the one right there, which is hopefully going to starting it getting going here. And also I found at the shop, I found this dried coral there that fit into one of the holes, which is kind of cool. So I don't know, I like that. Anyway, I have that all set up. I did install the random flow generator from VCA Aquatics. I can leave that in the description below, but just want to do a quick video and kind of show you where things are at as far as day 2, and I will try to keep on doing these throughout the progression of this tank. So thanks very much, everybody, and have a great day.